Once upon a time, in the serene countryside of Willowbrook, there stood a quaint little village nestled between rolling hills and lush green forests. In this village, there lived a curious young girl named Amelia. With eyes as bright as the morning sun and a heart full of wonder, she spent her days exploring the nooks and crannies of the countryside, always searching for new adventures. One crisp autumn evening, as the golden leaves danced in the breeze and the scent of bonfires filled the air, Amelia's grandmother tucked her into bed and whispered, "Would you like to hear a bedtime story, my dear?" Amelia's eyes sparkled with excitement as she nodded eagerly. Her grandmother smiled and began her tale. Long ago, in a faraway kingdom, there existed a magical forest known as the Enchanted Grove. This forest was home to all sorts of mystical creatures, from mischievous fairies to wise old wizards. But there was one creature that stood out among the rest, a beautiful unicorn named Luna. Luna was the guardian of the Enchanted Grove, tasked with protecting its secrets and ensuring that its magic remained untainted. With her shimmering white coat and mane as soft as silk, she roamed the forest with grace and dignity, her horn glowing with ancient power. But one fateful night, a dark shadow fell upon the Enchanted Grove. An evil sorcerer had cast a wicked spell, threatening to extinguish the forest's magic forever. Luna knew that she had to act quickly to save her home. Gathering her courage, Luna embarked on a quest to find the source of the dark magic. Through treacherous swamps and towering mountains, she journeyed tirelessly, never once faltering in her determination. Finally, after many trials and tribulations, Luna reached the heart of the forest, where the sorcerer's lair lay hidden. With a mighty leap, she burst through the doors and confronted the sorcerer face to face. But the sorcerer was cunning, and he unleashed all manner of dark spells to try and defeat Luna. Yet, with the power of love and friendship in her heart, Luna stood strong against the sorcerer's magic, refusing to back down. In the end, it was Luna's unwavering bravery that prevailed. With a burst of radiant light, she broke the sorcerer's spell and restored peace to the Enchanted Grove once more. And so, the forest flourished once again, its magic stronger than ever before. And Luna, the brave unicorn, was hailed as a hero throughout the kingdom, her legend living on for generations to come. As her grandmother finished the tale, Amelia's eyes drooped with sleep, her imagination still alive with visions of magical forests and heroic unicorns. With a contented sigh, she drifted off to sleep, dreaming of adventures yet to come. And as the stars twinkled overhead, the world of dreams embraced her in its gentle embrace, promising endless enchantment and wonder.